Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Math with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video we just want to explain example 1 of number 7, which has something to do with changing recurring decimals to fraction. And the question at hand is change 0.5 with a dot on top. The dot is on top of 5. That means it is 5 which is recurring. Change that to a fraction. And I want to explain the steps. Step number 1, take the given number as x and show some recurring parts, which is x is now 0.555. It is 5 which is recurring. Step number 2, multiply x by multiples of 10 until you get two numbers which are identical after the decimal point. And I repeat that. Multiply the x by multiples of 10 until you get two numbers which are identical after the decimal point. And if this is our x, then we have multiply this one by 10, we have 10x, which is equals to now, if you multiply this by 10, you will get 5.555, because remember it is 5 which is recurring. And sure enough, these two numbers are identical after the decimal point. How are they identical? If you look at the first number, we have 555 moving forward. Second number, after the decimal point, we have 555 again moving forward. After we identify the two numbers which are identical, it is not a must that we multiply twice. You can go up to 100x, 1000x. We will see that later. But for this particular example, at least we have these two numbers which are identical after the decimal point. Now, take those ones and find their difference. For example, we have 10x, which is equivalent to 5.555, minus x, which is equivalent to 0.555. When we subtract the two, 9x minus x, or rather 10x minus x, we get 9x, which is equals to 5.555 minus 0.555, which is actually 5. This is 5.0 because we have 0, 0, 0. The reason why we should get two numbers which are identical after the decimal point is so that we will get, after subtracting, we will get 0 after the decimal point. Now, if you want now to get our value of x in fraction form, we divide both sides by 9, and we get by 9 and by 9. And you realize that x is equals to 5/9. And that is how we can express 0.5 recurring as a fraction. Thank you.